Rescue workers made a final push on Thursday to find survivors of the earthquake in Turkiye and Syria, where the death toll across both countries has now topped 20,000. The scene from the air shows the scope of the devastation, with entire neighborhoods of high-rises reduced to twisted metal, pulverized concrete, and exposed wires in Diyarbakir. The death toll from Monday's 7.8 magnitude catastrophe rose to nearly 21,000. The new figure, which is certain to rise, included over 17,600 people in Turkey and more than 3,300 in civil war-torn Syria. Tens of thousands were also injured. Even though experts say people can survive for a week or more, the chances of finding survivors in the freezing temperatures were dimming. Meanwhile, in Kahramanmaras, the city closest to the epicenter, workers continue to conduct rescue operations, but it was clear that many who were trapped in collapsed buildings had already died. One rescue worker was heard saying that his psychological state was declining and that the smell of death was becoming too much to bear. Aerial images captured by the Association Press on Thursday shows the extent of the destruction in the Turkish city of Antakya. Antakya was one of the hardest hit areas when the 7.8 scale earthquake struck on Monday. The quake and a cascade of strong aftershocks cut a swath of destruction that stretched hundreds of kilometers across southeastern Turkey and neighboring Syria.